Hey Allison, okay, here's your assignment, and it's going to take more than a day. It's actually a really big assignment. So, what I need you to do is work with the marker sets that I have in this class. So I have these marker sets like this, okay, and they're all numbered. And if you look inside, there's like 80 different markers, and they all have a different number on them. Okay, all kinds of different colors. Basically, what I need you to do is take these strips of paper and the different markers and basically make like a little color key. So that way somebody picks up this pack of markers and they're like, I want to know what 138 looks like on the paper. Then they'll have a little swatch of it like that. And they can see what it actually looks like, because the marker tip looks different than when it's actually like colored onto a piece of paper. So that's what I need you to do. It's probably going to take about 2 little strips of paper to do this, but that's okay. So basically what you do is you take one of these, you start writing down the numbers and putting little swatches with them. But a little bit of organization needs to happen. You notice I'm trying to group the colors together a little bit better. So like on this top row, I have like the warm like pinks and like flesh tones. Here I started to get into the fleshy tones and into the yellows. Okay, and then that led into the greens, which eventually led into the blues, which led into some purples, and then eventually just more like earth tones and gray. So try to organize them as best you can. So literally what I did was I got the bag of markers and I was like, let me start. It looked like there was tons of pinks in here. So I grabbed all the pinks that I could, and then I wrote their numbers in and I put a little swatch. Okay, and then after that was like, okay, I see like some warmer like reddish colors over here, and I grabbed those ones out and then I did them. After I grabbed them, I set them to the side, because then I was like, okay, when I did the swatch, I was like, okay, I'm done with that. So then I switched it to the side. That way I don't get all confused. So next I pulled out my yellows and I did the swatches, and then I put those to the side, and then the greens. Okay, and then when I was all done, I put the markers back in the bag. Okay, so I'm going to leave the materials here for you. I'm going to leave the paper strips. Okay, and I think you have a pen somewhere, and then I'll show you where the other markers are. Okay, because I have like 24 packs of these, I think. Ooh, so over here in this cabinet, you'll find all the packs of markers. Okay. You should do that for me. There's a lot, I'm not gonna lie. But you can do this out with your friends. You can take a pack and go sit with them and do it. When you finish with one pack, take that, fold it, and then put it into the pack of markers. That way, whoever grabs a pack and needs to see the swatches can just grab the swatches right out. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for doing this, and many donuts are in your future.